Welcome to in second lecture of aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid. इसके फर्स्ट लेक्चर में लोगों ने जाना था what is the carbonyl compounds, carbonyl group, and also introduction of aldehyde ketones, carboxylic acid and their derivatives, and also the structure of carbonyl group. But today we study homologous series formula in aldehyde ketones. Now you can see naming of aldehyde ketones and isomerism of aldehyde ketones. First we go homologous series formula of aldehyde and ketones. Clear? The common formula or homologous series formula of aldehyde and ketones, both are represented by this formula. This is common formula which represents aldehyde as well as ketones. For example, we take C4H8O. It represents aldehyde, also ketone. Like this is CH3, CH2, 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 and this is the aldehyde and it one is the ketone. Clear? Now we go IUPAC naming. IUPAC naming. Clear? IUPAC naming. First for aldehydes. You know, for aldehydes, common representation is this is in this way. Hence, during naming, you first choose parent chain of carbon atoms. It will be this one. That means carbon of CHO also included in parent chain, and name alkane where is replaced by Al. So their name will be alkanal. So has suffixes al, al. In the case of alcohols, taken OL, all, alkanol, hence alkanal. And you know prefix are aldo or also formula. Clear? Now we take some examples. Like this is HCHO, formaldehyde. There are one carbon, so its name will be methanol. In the same way, it has two carbon atoms, so name will be ethanol. If you replace all three hydrogen atoms by chlorine, then this structure. Its common name is chloral. What will be IUPAC name? Three chlorine atoms are present on the second carbon, so there will be trichloro ethanol. Now we take some other examples also. Suppose this is CH2. It is unsaturated aldehyde. The common name is acrolein. Acrolein. What will be IUPAC name? There are three carbon atoms. So you write prop. For double bond, you write ene. Ene is present on the second carbon. So there are two ene. And one. Also you can write prop 2. It is understood CH is present on the first carbon because it is the most senior group here. In the same way, it is protonaldehyde. General name and IUPAC name will be butyl-2 enol. Suppose more than one CHO groups are present, then what will be the name? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 carbon atoms are present in the long chain, so their name will be butane. And CHO are present on the first and fourth carbon, so you write first and fourth. There. In the same way, CHO. There are 2 carbon atoms in the long chain, so their name will be ethane. And 1, 2. There. Suppose more than 2 CHO groups are present, then like this is and more than 2 CHO groups are present. If 3 or more than 3 CHO groups are present, then these are not included in long chain. So long chain is started from this end. 1, 2, 3. These carbons are not counted in long chain. In parent chain has only 4 carbon atoms, and these are considered as substituents of parent chain. So what will be the name? Butane. And aldehyde groups are present on the first, second and fourth carbon. 1, 2, 4. How much? They are 3 in number. And before the name of aldehyde, prefix carbo is used. Carbaldehyde. It is taken as a name. In the same way, in aromatic aldehydes, like this is taken. Its name is benzaldehyde. Its common name and IUPAC name is also benzaldehyde. Suppose you Cl on the first, second, third carbon, so what is the name? 3-chloro benzaldehyde. Well, common name is metachloro benzaldehyde. In the same way, this is present. What will be the name of this? Methoxy. So 4-methoxy on the first, second, third carbon. Third methoxy benzaldehyde. If taken more than one CHO group on benzene ring, these are written by carbon. कार्ब वर्ड लग जाएगा इसके पहले, कार्बो वर्ड से हम लोग प्रीफिक्स का ऐड करेंगे. The third part with the name, this is a benzene ring. On the benzene ring, aldehyde group present on the first and second carbon. 1, 2 di. They are 2 in number and carb aldehyde. बेंजीन रिंग में एक से अधिक CHO ग्रुप हो, उनके लिए हम लोग कार्ब एल्डिहाइड वर्ड यूज करेंगे. The same with this compound. Now CHO group is not present on the benzene ring. So what will be parent chain? This is taken as a parent chain. And then phenyl group and bromo as a substituent. What will the name? This first carbon, second carbon, this third carbon. On the second carbon, bromo is present. 2 bromo. On the third carbon, phenyl is present. A long chain has 3 carbon atoms, so their name will be propanol. So this is taken up. Benzene ring is not present. Clear? It is cyclohexane, in which one CH group is present, so you write carbaldehyde. In the same way, we go IUPAC naming of ketones. Ketones, they are common representation in this way. Or you can write RCOR. As this carbon is also included in the parent chain, to check the number of carbon atoms and write the name alkane and replace E by ON. Their name will be alkane. So their suffix is ONE and prefix is oxo or keto. Oxo or keto. Some examples like this is CH3 whole twice, the simplest ketone, acetone, general name. You can write in this way. There are 3 carbon atoms present in the long chain, so it will be propanol. In the same way, this compound how many carbon atoms in the long chain? 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 4th carbon methyl group is present, so write 4-methyl. And they are pentanone present on this 2 carbon. You can write also pentan 2-O. The same way, some other examples like this is the name of this compound. Hence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Long chain has 6 carbon atoms. We are own CO is present on the 2 and 4 position. So their name will be hexane. 2 and 4. How much? 2 in number, you write dione. If 3 in number, then you write trione. Then you write trione. Like this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Long chain has 8 carbon atoms, in which 2, 4 and 6 position occupied by one groups. So they will be trione. Now this in preference series, always remember COH senior by CHO group and CHO senior by CO group and so on in this way. Clear? So CHO senior by CO Hence, this is CHO group, aldehyde group. This is ketone group. Start numbering from senior. Now it is junior, so you write prefix 2-oxo. How much carbon atoms? 3 carbon atoms. Their name will be propanol. Can also write 2-keto propanol. In the same way, this is its common name is pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid. What will be IUPAC name? Yeah, 2-oxo or keto propanoic acid. And suppose this is present. What will be the name of cyclopentane है cyclopentanone. Cyclopentanone. Cyclic compounds. This is what is the name? The second carbon methyl group is present. 2-methyl cyclohexanone. Clear? In this way, you write the name. What is the name of this compound? How carbon atoms are present? 1, 2, 3 in the parent. The first carbon phenyl group is attached. So you write 1 phenyl propanone. Clear? This is. Now we go isomerism. Aldehydes and ketones. Isomerism, aldehyde ketones. First number, chain isomerism. It is only present in aldehydes, not in ketones. Only in aldehydes. Like this is these two structures in which both have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms, and both have number of hydrogen atoms. Count करें आप. There 10. No oxygen atom. Both have same number of carbon hydrogen oxygen atoms, but they are changing only carbon skeleton. Both have same functional group on the same position, only changing in parent chain. So it's example of chain isomerism. No, there are no position isomerism in aldehyde ketones, but functional isomerism is present. Hence aldehyde and ketones are functional isomers. Of each other. Functional isomers of each other. Why? Both have same general formula. CnH2n. Compounds in which common formula is similar always show functional isomers. Like example, C3H6O represents two structures. One is aldehyde, other is ketone. It is aldehyde, propionaldehyde, propanol, acetone, propanol. The same way, C4H8O. Also shows one aldehydic structure and other is the ketonic structure. These are functional isomers of each other. Clear? No, next. Metamerism. Only in ketones. You know, in case of metamerism, metamers have different alkyl groups attached with polyvalent functional group. And that's are present in ketones, not in aldehydes. एल्डिहाइड को मालूम है एक तरफ हाइड्रोजन होता है, एक ही अल्काइल ग्रुप होता है, तो वहां पर ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है पॉलीवैलेंट फंक्शनल ग्रुप हो और उससे डिफरेंट अल्काइल ग्रुप्स अटैच्ड हो, वही पर होती है मेटामेरिज्म. ठीक, कीटोन्स में पॉसिबिलिटी है. एग्जांपल, मोस्ट कॉमन एग्जांपल C5H10O. It shows 3 metamers like this. C2H5CO, this dimethyl ketone, this methyl isopropyl ketone, and this is methyl normal propyl ketone. Hence, 2 ethyl groups are bonded with carbonyl group, and in this case 1 methyl, 1 isopropyl group is attached, and hence 1 methyl, 1 normal propyl group are attached. So different alkyl groups are bonded with carbonyl group. Its IUPAC name is pentanone. Its IUPAC name is 3-methyl butanone 2, and it is पेंटेनोन 2. आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर पेंटेनोन 3, पेंटेनोन 2. नाम से क्लियर है कि यहाँ पोजीशन आइसोमेरिज्म, बट इट इज नॉट कंसीडर्ड, इट इज नॉट इग्नोर्ड. मेटामेरिज्म एंड पोजीशन आइसोमेरिज्म, चेन आइसोमेरिज्म are simultaneously present, then chain isomerism and position isomerism are ignored because metamerism is more senior. उसको कंसीडर करते हैं. So these are metamers, not position isomers. And the same way in these two structures, आप इनका नाम देखें ठीक से तो आपको लगेगा chain isomerism. But these are not chain isomers considered, these are considered as metamers. ये important चीज है. तो ये आज आपने देखा इस वीडियो में कि एल्डिहाइड कीटोन का कॉमन फॉर्मूला क्या है, उनकी IUPAC नेमिंग क्या है, और इनमें डिफरेंट टाइप के आइसोमर्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूट. इसमें एक और स्पेशल आइसोमेरिज्म है जो एल्डिहाइड कीटोन्स में होती है, आइए उसको भी चर्चा कर लेते हैं हम लोग, और वो है टाटोमेरिज्म. And tautomerism in the ketone or aldehyde compounds is called keto-enol isomerism. इसमें क्या होता है एग्जाम्पल से देखेंगे हम लोग. देखिए एसीटोन के दो फॉर्म होते हैं हमारे पास। यहां कीटोन ग्रुप है, इट इज कॉल्ड कीटो फॉर्म, एंड हेंस दिस इज डबल बॉन्ड इन, एंड OH मींस ऑल, इन ऑल फॉर्म। यहां क्या हो रहा है, यहां से हाइड्रोजन एटम यहां ट्रांसफर हो रहा है इस तरह से, और यहां H यहां से ट्रांसफर हो रहा है, और ये इसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाता है और ये इसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाता है। Remember to it, these are not resonance states. Resonance में actual molecules होते हैं। In tautomerism or ketone isomerism, one hydrogen atom from a polyvalent atom is transferred to the other polyvalent atom, and balances are changed. Such isomers are existed in equilibrium mixture of both. If ketone group is present, then it is called keto form, and if double bond with hydroxy group on same carbon is present, it is called enolic form. Same case occurs in the also aldehyde. Like this is यहां से एक H यहां ट्रांसफर हो जाता है, देखिए ये कंडीशन डेवलप हो जाती है। ठीक, what is the keto form, carbonyl group form, and other is the enolic form. Clear? So this keto-enol isomerism not present in alcohol phenol ethers, not present in carboxylic acid, present only in keto-enol isomerism in aldehyde ketones. Clear? इस वीडियो को समझिए, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, और वेट करें नेक्स्ट वीडियो का, जहां हम लोग पढ़ेंगे प्रिपरेशंस ऑफ एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन्स।